Welcome to Mum Core channel with easy recipes and big flavors. Today, I will be sharing with you my recipe for pepper chicken asparagus dish. Here are all the ingredients: 3 pieces of chicken breast, 1 tablespoon of garlic salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of Gourmet Japanese sweet soy sauce, red pepper, green pepper, asparagus, 2 tablespoons canola oil, garlic, onion, 2 slices of butter. Begin by cleaning and drying 3 pieces of chicken breast before slicing them into cubes of at least ½ inch to 1 inch in size. In a bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of garlic salt with the sliced chicken breast. Then add 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Two tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of Gourmet Japanese sweet soy sauce. Mix the ingredients thoroughly using your clean hands. Slice red and green peppers. Cut off the tough ends of the asparagus, discarding them before slicing the asparagus. Heat 2 tablespoons of canola oil in a pan. Sauté garlic and onion until fragrant. Add the marinated chicken breast to the pan. Cover for 20 minutes over medium heat. After 20 minutes, add 2 slices of butter to the pan. Then, incorporate the sliced asparagus. and combine with the green and red bell peppers for at least 1 minute. Your pepper chicken and asparagus dish is now ready to serve. Enjoy! I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit that like button. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Here are all of my social media accounts. Thanks for watching.